Hey y'all, so I got my hands on Luster's Pink new products and I'm going to be doing a review plus a little braid and curl tutorial for y'all. Okay, now I keep finding white stuff in my hair and I have no idea where it's coming from, but anyway, yeah, Luster's new moisture maintenance collection consists of 2 moisturizing lotions, 2 masks, and a curling gel. Today I'm using the Repair and Strengthen Moisturizing Lotion as well as the Repair and Strengthen Mask along with the gel. The other lotion is a Scalp Relief Natural Oil Lotion and the other mask is a Hydrate and Shine Mask, but y'all know my hair is colored, so I tend to grab products that have strengthening and repair wording in it. I'm starting off my wash day shampooing like I almost always do because shampooing is so important for the beginning of moisturizing and volume as well, because not thoroughly removing buildup blocks moisture from penetrating, and the weight of buildup on curls stop them from being bouncy and lightweight, which means they're going to be stiff and flat. Now that I am all shampooed, I put my hair into 4 sections and it's time to drop the deep conditioner. So as I mentioned earlier, I am using Luster's Pink Repair and Strengthening Mask, and it does have natural pea protein in it to help repair and strengthen hair. And the key ingredients are coconut oil, olive oil, and shea butter, which are not only great for deep conditioning and moisture, but to also lock in that moisture and add shine. It does have a medium consistency, so it's not overly thick and not too loose. So it's just melting on my hair and it's providing instant softness. I have low porosity hair and sometimes deep conditioners take a second to penetrate and soften my hair, but this was literally softness on contact. And as y'all saw, my hair was super tight a second ago and this is now helping with my elasticity, so yeah. And Luster's actually sent me this cool deep conditioning cap, and you just pop it in the microwave to warm it up, and that's what I'm using to deep condition with today. The directions say to leave it on for 15 to 30 minutes, and you can just put a plastic cap on your hair if you don't have a heat cap or a hood dryer. But on the bottle it says for best penetration, it is best to use with a deep conditioning cap or a bonnet dryer. Another tip for those who do not have a heat cap or hood dryer is to apply your deep conditioner in the shower or immediately take a shower afterwards so that that steam from the shower can help it penetrate more. Now moving on to my next step, and I'll be using the Repair and Strengthen Natural Oil Moisturizing Lotion as my leave-in conditioner. Again, this also softens on contact, and it has hydrolyzed plant protein in it, which is great for repairing loss of protein in hair bonds and good for reducing breakage. It also has vitamin E and vitamin B5, and these are good for elasticity and moisture retention. And this is also good to use before heat styling too, but I'm gonna leave my Dyson alone today and just do a braid and curl on wet hair. Okay, now for this braid and curl, I am using the Hold and Shine Perfecting Gel, and I'm working in medium-sized sections. This gel does have olive oil in it as well as argan oil and B5 for added moisture. It is a nice thick consistency, and I love me a thick gel. It makes styling so much easier because they tend to sleek and stretch wet curls out without giving a lot of reverting, and that's exactly what this gel is doing for me. So for this braid and curl, I do braid about 3/4 of the way down, and then I wrap the ends. And I don't know why I chose to do a braid and curl over a twist and curl. I normally do twist and curls because braid and curls be having my roots bushy, but here we are. So some additional tips for braiding curls is to make sure that your hair is thoroughly detangled before you start braiding. Don't mix strands and continue to detangle as you go. If you struggle to wrap the ends around the rods and get them to coil downward, feel free to go ahead and secure the ends first and coil upward. Both of them will work just fine. I did the twist and curl all over, but the only difference is in the front, I only braided halfway down instead of doing 3/4 of the way down because I want a little bang action, and yeah. After getting all of the rods in, I did go ahead and sit under the dryer for about 30 minutes, which is totally optional, but that's my preference because I like to let the heat help my curls set. But after that, I did let them air dry overnight the rest of the way, and this is the next day. And y'all, I'm about to be grown and try to do this makeup hack I saw on Instagram where you pick your colors, swap them on your eye, and you just blend in the dabbing motion. And I'm going to do pink because, of course, today I'm partnering with Luster's Pink for this video. First up, I prime my eyes. That's what this white stuff is. And I'm using a Morphe palette with some pinks. And I'm going to be using an orange as my transition color and a gold on my inner eye. And I start off with the gold on my inner eye. And then I do the hot pink in the center. And then I did 2 darker shades of like a burgundy-ish color going outward. So that it kind of does like an ombre gradient effect. And y'all know I'm gonna keep it on 100. This did not go on as simple as it looked in them Instagram videos. Maybe with practice it will, but yeah. I'm gonna just keep moving. I committed to it, and we gonna just see what it do. So at first I was a little scared, but it actually popped once I added the transition color in because I know y'all was sitting there like, Day, go ahead and wipe that off. And I was literally thinking, I'm about to wipe all this off and tell my editor to delete all of this. But it did actually work. And don't judge my outer eye. I cleaned that up with some concealer and boom, here's the final makeup look. See, I pulled it all together somehow, some way. Now let's get back into this hair now that my face is all nice and beat. So I am taking these rods down with some oil on my hand, and as y'all can see, the curls are flake free and so bouncy. And now for the final takedown. Alright, bomb. It's just bomb. The definition is popping. My hair is soft, so no, the gel is not crunchy. And these curls lasted me for 4 days before they turned into a bomb puff. So, what y'all think? Are we feeling the curls? We finna check out Luster's Pink new products. Are we feeling the makeup hack? What's up? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe button before you go. Bye.